Hey lady, this is Allison Price, founder of The Infused Life, and today I'm here with another DIY for you. If you happen to be catching this in real time, it is March of 2020, and the theme for this month with our DIY products is in the kitchen. However, this product can be used anywhere and everywhere, and that's one of the things I love about it. It's so versatile. But when I asked you guys what you wanted to learn next, what was a product, a chemical product that is used for cleaning in your home that you really wanted to learn how to make over, do it yourself, and keep it non-toxic, an answer I received over and over and over again is the disinfecting wipes. So let me show you how simple this is. You need alcohol, aloe vera, essential oils, and a glass container with a roll of paper towels. So I've already done this tutorial a few times a day. Let me just walk you through how easy it is. You are going to take a roll of paper towels and you cut it in half. I actually use a bread knife to cut it in half. And then this is half of the roll. And you want to make sure you take out the insert, the cardboard insert in the middle, okay? And I just shoved, usually I only have one half of the roll in here, but I had done this tutorial so many times already that I had extra mix, so I threw it all in there so that it could all soak it up. So this is what you do. You get a measuring cup and you're going to pour in 2/3 cup of 99.9% isopropyl, I know I say that wrong all the time, alcohol. And then you're going to add to it 1/3 cup of aloe vera. It's super important that you use an organic, natural aloe vera because if you go to the store and you start reading ingredients on the shelf, you're going to find very quickly that the aloe veras are filled with junk and garbage and stabilizers and thickeners and all kinds of stuff you don't need. And if you use that, then you're going to notice that the aloe vera gets really chunky on your wipes, okay? So you're going to add those two to a measuring cup. And you're going to add about 5 to 6 drops of your essential oil of choice. If you have my cheat sheet for top essential oils to clean with, that's a great reference to make your decision. But lately, I've just been loving plain old eucalyptus. So you're going to mix that all together. You want to get it mixed together really good so that the aloe vera dissolves. And then you cut your paper towel roll in half. Like I said, I like to use a bread knife. It's a little bit of a messy process. And then you will put half of that paper towel roll in your glass container, pour your liquid over it, put the lid on it so it doesn't dry out, and then allow it to soak it all the way up through the paper towel roll. And then that's it. Then you just wipe and clean and disinfect. Now, really cool thing, these are so versatile. If you're traveling, if you want to have some in your car and the glass container is not really an option, just put them in a resealable plastic baggie. That will keep them moist and keep them from drying out. And you can take them with you wherever you go. Another thing, sometimes finding the 99.9% alcohol at your local stores is difficult. So I've linked up to it in Amazon for you. But if the best you can find is like a 70%, which is more common at the local drugstores, you just want to cut back on the amount of aloe vera that you're adding into the mixture. So in that case, you're going to want to keep it at about a tablespoon of the aloe vera. And then finally, there's lots of different options for this. If rubbing alcohol isn't your thing, you can use vodka. 190 proof vodka works just as well. And I know for some people, if they are specifically going to be using these to be wiping down surfaces that food's going to be touching, like cutting boards, not that the alcohol is a bad thing, it's going to evaporate and dry up anyways, but some people prefer to use vodka in that case. It's a total personal preference, okay? And then lastly, sometimes if you run out of these ingredients, if you don't have them, or if it's just easier for you, you can also just take a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of doTERRA's On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. And I like to add in a couple extra drops of On Guard or lemon oil for good measure. Mix that all together, pour it over your paper towels. And that's another simple, easy way to make your own homemade disinfecting wipes. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop them down in the comments. And again, if you're watching this during March of 2020, I am running a green cleaning challenge. It's free, and I am doing it March 27th through the 30th. So it is for you if you want to see and experience and do making your own DIY non-toxic cleaning supplies. This challenge is going to show you how simple it is, how time-saving it is, and how cost effective it is, and it will get you started on the right foot to cleaning the chemicals out of your cabinet and making it DIY non-toxic. So check the link in the caption to get signed up for that free challenge. I hope I'll see you there. And on that note, I'm going to get back to cleaning. Have a great day, everybody.